No.
Okay, we're in the office today. Today, I believe it's April 2nd, with Dr. Robert Miles. I had a chance to train Dr. Miles approximately 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago now,
Almost 3.
in liposuction body sculpting. And I am so proud of Dr. Miles in that I guess we're in not Tampa, but same of the town?
Palm Harbor.
Palm Harbor, Florida. And this is the patient here. She's actually the star. And decided to come over after hearing from other people about someone that was doing high definition type body sculpting without general anesthesia or the sedation. And that excited me right away because I'm into the business of training doctors and educating people, the public, in terms of things that are safe and things that may not be safe. So when I got this unique opportunity to come down and meet with Dr. Miles, I was very excited about that. Having come, I have not been disappointed. In fact, I've been very excited. You probably told that I'm speaking a little fast. I'm pretty excited. Goosebumps on my arms, actually. I expected, let me tell you what I expected before the patient will tell you how things went. I expected without IV sedation or general anesthesia, it would be very uncomfortable for her. And I was kind of like one of those, well, you got to show me first. So, well, I've seen it. Doc did an extremely nice job, not with just doing regular body sculpting, but doing the high definition. He and I may have an argument down the road in terms of what it is called. What he called it 3D body sculpting. We're looking at something like ultra high def, because it really is ultra high def. I've never seen it before. And again, this was done without any general anesthesia, no IV sedation, and in fact, I think you took a tablet of Vicodin before surgery?
Right. I took just Vicodin in the morning. I followed the procedures, and I took the antibiotic in the morning as well. And just the antiseptic shower, just to be clean for surgery. But the whole procedure was great. Having 3 kids, a 9-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. I've had 3 C-sections, so I know what pain is. And a lot of times going through those C-sections, it was horrible, so I had to take medication. I was a little nervous coming in, but the doctors made it real pleasant. They explained everything. Dr. Miles here is very comfortable in the way, you know, he made me feel real comfortable in the way he explained everything. And I went in and I did not feel pain at all, just a little bit of a pressure, and I went through the whole procedure just fine. So I'm very excited at the results that I received, and also that it was pain-free. So that to me is very important, going through 3 C-sections.
Right, and certainly I was there, not a skeptic, because I certainly trained Dr. Miles almost 3 years ago, but just to really have a better feel, because what we want to do with this, and thanks that you were able to do this, is to share it with people around the world. I tend to teach doctors around the world as well as see patients come to me from around the world too. And I wanted to make sure to get Dr. Miles' name out there too, and he's going to be a part of our teaching team. But again, the impressive thing to me is that you know, how neatly it was done. And they'll see some video clips, you know, of the procedure. They'll see some before you were done and after you were done in terms of the clips itself. I always say that the picture's worth more than 1,000 words. And when you begin to see how you developed, as I was watching you develop before my eyes, you know, I literally got goosebumps, you know, and I know you had a little cry, you know, after it was all done too, because you could see actually what was done. And again, being able to see, you know, the definition, you know, and it's not just a definition for your abs, you know. I always tell people, girlfriend, you got cut out, you know, you got that figure 8 thing going, you know what I mean? And I had a chance to meet your hubby. Yeah, I had a chance to meet your hubby. We had a nice little conversation out front. And again, I'm very impressed. I'm very happy for you, and I'm happy that I came down to observe and assist a little bit, but not much, but assist a little bit. And I have to give all the credit to Dr. Miles for taking the time, along with Frank, his brother, Frank Miles, to begin to really put together something that's going to be really unique, you know, not just for you,